If you're looking for the best UI UX courses on Coursera, this video ranks the top 3 based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. My number 3 pick is the IBM UI/UX Designer Professional Certificate. It has a 4.8-star rating with nearly 2,900 reviews. You'll learn user research, wireframing, Figma, Adobe XD, responsive design, design thinking, and agile workflows. It's an excellent choice if you want an IBM-backed professional certificate. At number 2 is the UI/UX Design Specialization from the California Institute of the Arts. It has a 4.7-star rating with more than 8,100 reviews. The program covers information architecture, interaction design, prototyping, Adobe XD, responsive web design, and portfolio building projects. It's one of the most respected university programs on Coursera. My number 1 recommendation is the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. It has an outstanding 4.8-star rating with over 100,000 reviews, making it the most popular UI/UX certificate on Coursera. You'll learn user research, wireframing, usability testing, information architecture, Figma, responsive web design, accessibility, and complete real portfolio projects. For beginners, it's the best overall choice. All 3 programs are beginner-friendly and come from globally recognized organizations. They teach practical, job-ready skills that employers value and include respected certificates you can add to your resume. Instead of paying for one certificate at a time, I recommend Coursera Plus. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many other leading partners. If you're serious about starting a UI/UX career, Coursera Plus offers the best overall value. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.